Hello, we are back.
Oh yes, I guess there was some network issue.
Yes, certainly there was some network issue. So we were talking about, you answered a few questions about class 12. What you would be doing if not an actor, then you would be normally finishing your studies. So tell us, how would you rate yourself as a brilliant child who sits in the front bench or backbencher? कैसे होते
I'm
आप?
the middle bencher. So it's like I copy notes, but I also I balance both the things. I'm a 50-50 on both the things. So I also have my gang in school, but then I'm also sincere towards my studies.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Ashnur, I was just telling you about a few questions that your fans have posted to Nivanta. So one question was about the hashtag that is trending today. It is called as hashtag We Want Patiala Babes. That's trending on Twitter. Okay, so this is posted by SRJ underscore Noor underscore Miniel. So what is your reaction to that? During lockdown, people want to see entire team of Patiala babes again.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. First of all, but I guess all I can say is कि कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो हमारे हाथ में नहीं होती हैं, and there are certain things that we can't do anything about because they are out of our control. And of course, this coronavirus, this pandemic has actually left its impact all over the world, and we can't really do anything about it.
So, probably I think you guys can go and watch the repeated episodes of
Oh yes,
Patala Babes, right?
Patala Babes on Sony Live.
Certainly. Okay, so would you want to take few questions? Again, I think a lot of people had a question in the live before, but I think a lot of them are reposting their questions as well.
Sure.
Okay.
Hey, hi CM.
Okay, Ashnur 516, that's your fan page, is asking me to ask you if you talk in Punjabi.
पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂ ਆਤੇ ਲੋਗੋं ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਆ ਜੂਗੀ
अच्छा even you're a Punjabi.
Yes, I am a Punjabi as well. Okay, what you like? Okay, so unique underscore Ashnur Kaur, a lot of your fan pages are here, by the way. Okay, so what you like most about yourself?
About myself?
Yeah.
What do I look like about myself? Okay, that's a tough question.
Photo.
Yeah, what do I like most about myself? I try to be the better version of my own self. So I don't try to be someone else, but I just try to be me and improving myself as I am. Yeah.
Okay.
Please
So
take my name. Hi, Patil Shreya. Love from London. Love from India.
So all around the world, people are watching you.
Oh yes.
Okay. Something about school. Please join me. Okay, guys. I think drop in your questions. I can see a lot of love and a high, and babes coming in. But Ashnur will be picking up 5 best questions. So make sure the questions are interesting, and then only she would answer them. So until then, coming to your stint in movies so far. So आपने 2 movies करी हैं अभी तक, Sanju and Man Marziya. So talking about Man Marziya, how was it essaying the role of Taapsee's sister?
Yeah.
So how was it, working with Taapsee in the movie?
It was amazing, actually. The best part was I got to work with so many people, such great actors, professionals in the movie. Be it Taapsee, be Vicky Bhaiya, Vicky Kaushal, or Abhishek sir, or even Anurag Kashyap sir. Actually, it was amazing just observing them, working with them, sharing screen with them made me learn so much. So it was a great experience and totally different experience, I would say, from what I've been doing for all these years.
And in terms of Sanju, that was a story about Sanjay Dutt, So how was it? How was being in that movie? Kuch, tell us something about from the sets of Sanju.
It was an amazing movie, and obviously usme bhi there were many people. There was Paresh Rawal sir, Ranbir Bhaiya, there was Manisha Kurala ma'am, and Rajkumar Hirani sir. Even he used to make me feel really comfortable. That was my first movie, so I'll be very honest, I was a bit nervous. That how is it gonna be something different from TV that I've been doing? How would people walk away, or how would they react? Will they be warm and welcoming or not? So I had all these questions going on in my mind. But to my surprise, they were all really, really good. In fact, I remember the time in the office when we'd gone for the look test, and I had to try a wig. So Ranveer Bhaiya just came and started talking to me, and he was like, "Okay, that's great. We're looking forward to work with you." And then he also complimented my real long hair. And back on the sets, Rajkumar Hirani, sir, whenever I used to go on the set, he used to be like, "Oh, so my pretty girl is here." And they were all really warm and welcoming, so I didn't at all feel nervous or left out. And actually, Rajkumar Hirani sir also, he used to share his previous movies experiences, be it PK, where even Anushka Sharma had to wear a wig, and then he used to tell me how can manage it and stuff like that. So it was an amazing experience.
Okay. Jan.vi567 is asking, please give some tips of growing hair. Considering that you have such beautiful tresses, क्या tips देना चाहोगे आप, hair for hair?
I would just want to say that keep oiling them. That's very important. I oil them almost every alternative or every 2 days. Because obviously, because of the length, the hair also need as much nutrition, as much food which they get with oiling. So yes, I oil them and I wash them regularly. Just keep them clean. That's how it happens. And I use home remedies. So I kind of once a week, maybe put egg white on my hair or curd on my hair. That's what happens.
Okay. Manat_Ghavri is asking, how do you manage your shoot and studies so well?
How do I manage my shoot and studies? Well, it's all about will. Where there's a will, there's a way. And I carry my books on the set and I study whenever I get time, and I try to give my 100% both. That's how I study between the shots.
So, which is your favorite subject, Ashnoor, so far?
Back in 10th, it was science. To be specific, it was physics. I really liked physics. But I couldn't take science in my 11th standard because it would have been difficult to manage science along with shooting. So I took up commerce. And right now, I'm really finding accounts really interesting.
Okay. Bhagyashri_24 is asking, what's your plan after your 12th boards? Certainly acting is on the card, Bhagyashri, but what else we would want to know about it, Ashnoor?
Well, I'm confused. I'm really confused, like any other student of my age, actually. I plan to do something in this industry, but let's see. I've still not made my mind what I'm going to take up.
Okay. But will we be seeing you more often on television or on movies or web series?
Well, that depends on the content that the projects have. If there's a good content, if they're nice performance-oriented scenes, then it's web, movies, whatever. Let's see where destiny takes me.
Okay. Another question is, Ashnoor Kidwani is asking, what is your beauty secret?
I guess you feel beautiful on the inside, and that just reflects on the outside. I'm not a person who follows a beauty regime or a routine. I don't even apply moisturizer on my face. So literally that bad, and I also get scolded about it from my mom. But yeah, I guess be happy on the inside, be positive about yourself, and love yourself. That reflects on your face.
Okay. GSony.123 is asking, where is your Hanuman uncle from Patiala Beach? For those who
Hanuman uncle is at his home, quarantined at his home. We are maintaining social distancing.
And how about Shivangi Joshi? Have you connected, with your team from Patiala Babes? Have you connected with them? बात करी है आपने उनसे?
Yeah, we have this entire WhatsApp group of the Patiala Babes team, and we have all the actors and our directors and the producers of the show in that group. And we keep chatting every day, actually. We keep talking about different stuff, about the news. we keep sharing our old memories, the old pictures that we have. So we're all in touch. And actually, on my birthday, all of them had conference called me at sharp 12 to surprise me. So I
That's
got
so
this call, and then all of them wished me together. So that was like one of the biggest surprises. We
true.
have like a team, like a family.
So, I would ask you, from the characters that you have essayed so far, from a child character to something, that you're doing now with Patiala Babes, which character is the closest to the real Ashnur?
Minnie. Minnie is
Minnie?
very. Minnie is 99% same.
Wow.
Except for the fact that she doesn't like her father. Minnie dislikes her father, but obviously Ashnur loves her father equally as much as I love my mother. But rest of the traits are totally same. Like Minnie and Ashnur, you can't differentiate if they are two different people. Yeah.
Okay, Devika is asking, will you upload a makeup tutorial, please? She wants to know what sort of makeup that you do. She wants to follow your makeup.
Okay, I actually always try to keep my makeup very settled, be it even award functions or something. But yeah, you guys tell me what sort of makeup tutorial you want. I'm actually gonna reopen my YouTube channel really soon. So yeah, we can have all this over there.
So, Ashnur, what sort of makeup do you prefer? Are you more heavy on your eyes, or you like, accentuating your eyes or your lips? What sort of makeup do you like?
I'm really particular about my brows, my
Oh,
eyebrows.
yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm very like I can go without foundation. I can go without lipstick, without eyeliner, but I can't go without filling my brows because I feel this kind of gives a really nice structure to your face and it actually defines your face. So doing your eyebrows is really important whenever you do your makeup. Yeah.
Okay. So, would you want to pick up a few questions from your end?
Yeah, sure. You're having commerce with maths or without maths? It's without maths. Ankur. Can you share your turning point of life here if possible? My turning point of life, my turning point maybe it was Jhansi Ki Rani itself, my first show when I actually went to a totally different path because no one from my family belongs to the industry. So me entering into the industry was the turning point of my life. This question was from Yash Shah. Why you like everyone's post but not mine? Ashnur got 13. I might have missed your posts. I'll surely check it out after this live. Actually, there's so many posts, so much love pouring in that I'm not able to reply to all of them, and I feel so bad about it because all of them, they put in so much effort, so much hard work. But I try to do as much as possible. But there are millions of them.
True,
Why?
but I'm sure they love you so.
Yeah. Why would you like to become if you would not be an actress? I guess I've already answered this question, but yeah I would have been normal 12th standard student. How do you take care against corona? Following all the corona guidelines. I guess all of us are aware about it, but it's just that I follow all of them religiously, and so should all of you as well. Hi,
Your
Ashton Squad. Yes.
So I think somebody was asking your routine during quarantine. Well, she's almost mentioned it, but yes,
Yeah.
if you could want to answer this, Ashnur.
Yeah, so first half I have my classes and then I have my time divided. After that, I have some chilling time. I check my phone, I check my social media, and then I work.
Okay, I think trying to connect with her again. She'll be back. Yes, you're back. In between, we just lost you.
Oh,
Yeah.
uh,
Okay, so somebody was also asking about web series. आप कौन सी web series देख रहे हो अभी during quarantine? Or is it just
well,
studies?
I haven't been able to watch. I'm not actually more of a series person. I'm more of a movies person. So I've been watching movies, but now seeing all the hype, I'm gonna start watching Money Heist today, and let's see
I
what the
think
hype is all about.
I definitely suggest you. I think it's one of the best web series that's up there. Okay, Yash _ Khanduja is asking favorite song. What is your favorite song?
My favorite song. Um, so it keeps changing almost like really often. But currently, I'm listening to Hi Oi. There's the song Hi Oi, Hi Oi, समझ नहीं आती है. So I'm listening to that song currently on loop. Yeah.
So would you like to do more music videos in the future?
Yeah, of course. Obviously, once again, with a good concept, a good music, good song, I would love to do it. Yeah.
Okay, and Ashnur, if you get to do a lead role in a movie, who would you want opposite you as an actor?
Okay. Okay. I'm a big Hrithik Roshan fan. But actually, I've already met him, and he's a really sweet person as well. I was hosting some red carpet, I guess, for Kids Choice Awards, and he met me. He's really sweet. So I can't have Hrithik Bhaiya as my hero. I would love to have someone younger of my age. Yeah.
So from the younger lot, who would that be?
Sorry.
From the younger lot of actors, who would whose name would you like to take here?
Kartik Aaryan, maybe.
I so had that name in mind. I was just about to say, and I thought, yahi naam
I
bologe.
know, right? Because that's what the name that comes in your mind these days. He's all around. He's trending everywhere. And I've always actually wanted to work with Vicky Bhaiya as well, and I did in Manmarsiya. So one of my bucket lists is ticked already.
Great. Okay, Ashnur, so I have a cute little game that I want to play with you. It's called This or That. So हमने आपको देखा है on screen, knowing the character that you are in, और उस character के मुताबिक आप dress करते हो, right? So want to know more Ashnur Kaur in terms of her personal fashion. Okay, so it's this or that, and these are fashion related this or that questions. So I'm gonna give you two options, so you tell me which is your pick, right? So red lips or nude lips, what do you prefer?
Nude lips, anytime. You'll hardly see me wearing red lipstick.
Okay. Dewy or matte, what sort of makeup do you prefer?
Matte. More matte.
Matte. Okay. Mascara or
But if
extension?
it's a night function, then it's nude. If it's a night function or a party, then it's nude. Yeah.
Okay. Mascara or extensions?
Extensions.
Yeah.
Mascara
Is
makes
it quite easy and
eyelash fall? Even when I apply extensions, I've actually started applying extensions so that I'm not able to, so that I can avoid mascara, because applying mascara every day made my real lashes really weak, and I actually have quite lengthy lashes, but I want to save them. I want to preserve them.
okay? I mean, a little on and off I could hear, but not very clearly. But you're saying that you use extension curler, right?
Yeah. I use it to preserve my own natural lashes, because I have really lengthy lashes, but then applying mascara every day makes them really weak. So extensions to be on the safe side.
Okay. Blush or bronzer? What does Ashnur prefer?
Blush.
Okay. Eyeliner या lip liner?
Lip liner.
Colored hair or black hair?
Black hair, anytime.
Have you ever colored your hair?
No, I've never. Actually, I never wanted to. I wanted to get highlights, but then I'm still confused. Should I not? I just fear the quality of my hair doesn't go down.
I think you could try probably probably a mango or a burgundy or some shades of brown probably as well.
Yeah.
Would love to see you in that. I mean, how would you?
Yes, soon after lockdown.
Okay. So basically, you would want something to be on fleek or casual, your style.
My casual style, more comfort.
Okay. Brushes or sponges when it comes to makeup?
Brushes.
Brushes. Okay. Designer or drugstore brands? What do you prefer?
Designer.
Designer. Any favorite that you want to make a mention
really
of?
Choosy. So I like variations. So I don't just stick to one particular designer. I keep switching.
Okay, just lost the last line. So you said you're very choosy. when it
Yeah,
comes
I
to
like variations. I keep switching.
okay, okay, fine. And last few, so you prefer dresses or jumpsuit?
Jumpsuits.
Okay, denim jacket or wool coat?
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Denim jacket, I guess. Looks cooler.
Okay, a tote bag or a clutch?
A tote bag.
Okay, last but not the least, maxi or mini skirts?
Mini skirts.
Mini skirts. I think, probably uh, it looks cute as well on a cute person like you. So probably I think I knew that that would be your pick. Okay,
Yeah.
love from Nagpur. Sneha is sending you love from Nagpur. Okay, what else? Quickly. May I put a few
Okay.
questions to you? Ankur Sharma, please do that. Share your questions with Ashnur. She will answer it.
Okay, guys.
Um,
So, like, quick 2 minutes, and then
yeah,
we can ask what questions you want
yeah,
to.
and then she needs to go. Okay, Ashur, I mean, I just had one question. So you started at tender age of 5, right? At that age, you're very young. You don't know what you want from life. So certainly, I think your parents would have, would have put you at the right place at the right time for your career, to shape out. So tell us about, your first ad, your first time that you faced the camera. कैसा experience था और कौन सा experience था वो?
Well, till date, my parents put me on the right path, and we all decide what project I do together collectively. Uh, so the first time, I don't actually remember it properly, but yeah, the first time I faced the camera was this. There was this shot for Jhansi Ki Rani where I'm just playing and stuff, and I actually didn't know what I'm doing, but I was just enjoying. I was just being myself. I was doing as directed, and they really liked it. So yeah, that's what happened. Mom tells me that I was really comfortable in front of the camera.
So during your audition for Jhansi Ki Rani, do you remember that? What sort of audition was it?
I don't remember it clearly, but I do remember the fact that it was in Shuddh Hindi, and that time because before Mumbai we were in Hyderabad, and no one actually speaks Hindi there. So when the age when I started speaking, we were in Hyderabad, and I directly started speaking English. So when we came here, I didn't know how to speak Hindi properly, and ऊपर से वो शुद्ध हिंदी में था. So mom was really nervous about how we're gonna do it or not, but it just happened. So yeah, I just did it, and I got selected, and that's how the journey started.
Great. Okay, so guys, I think probably we'll pick up last two questions. Okay, I think this commerce she's already answered. You're a big fan. Okay, what subject? That's also we've answered. Okay. Love from Pakistan.
Lots of love back.
I love your serial. So I think there's a lot of love. Actually, I think they are so
Yeah.
they are struck by you, so they are probably mostly love
Okay.
coming in your way. So
Someone's asked, when will you post your YouTube video? Soon, guys. In a week or two's time, I'm trying to revive my channel. I'm trying to make some content. And once I'm ready with the content, I have like 2-3 videos in hand, then I'm gonna start my YouTube channel once again.
Okay.
What was your
Wow.
dance percentage? It was 93%.
How is your experience while working with Saurabh Jain? By the way, congratulations. I mean, that's quite a good percentage.
Yeah, he is. He is. And
Okay, I am Harsh Kumar is asking Ashnur, how is your experience while working with Saurabh Jain?
Saurabh, SRJ is amazing. We have a really nice bond, and we are actually Tom and Jerry on and off screen both. So we love teasing each other, pulling each other's leg, and we call each other Billy, which has a story behind it. He's asked me not to reveal it, so that remains a secret. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Why are you so cute, ma'am? Pravishtians is asking. Why are you so cute, Ashnur?
Oh, I'm so cute. I don't know. Maybe it's in my genes.
That was a good question. Huh? Why are you
Yeah,
so
I mean,
cute?
you are like, okay, what do I answer? How do I answer this question?
True that. Guys, she is cute because she is cute.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I think, we've covered a lot of questions, and,
Yes.
Ashnur has picked up a lot of answers as well. She's given, and she's shout out, names as well. So, Ashnur, I mean, before we wrap up, do you sing?
No, I don't. I'm
You
a
don't sing.
pathetic singer.
अच्छा फिर अगर अगर गाना नहीं तो हमें एक डायलॉग we would want to hear from you from Patiala Babes का कोई थोड़ा सा लेंथी 2-3 लाइन का डायलॉग.
From Patiala Babes. Um, okay, so yeah. So this was from season 2, which says, my wishes remain a secret. My secret wish always. I don't tell that to anyone because possibilities चाहिए. Endless possibilities in life.
Wow. And that is, I think, coming from Ashnur's heart herself. She wants more
Yes.
opportunities in life. So thanks a lot, Ashnur. I mean, it was great talking to you. And in the end, क्या message देना चाहोगे आप fans को during these times of COVID? I mean, what is the message that they should listen to?
I would just want to say that stay home, stay safe. You all know the guidelines, how to take your precautions. So please follow them. And thank you so much for all the love you guys poured in on my birthday and all the time that you keep pouring in. So thank you so much. Lots of love to all of you. Keep loving, keep supporting because that's all we need. Thank you. It was great
Fine.
talking to you.
Yes, same here. It was great connecting with you, Ashnur. And take care, stay home, stay indoors, and bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.